Hi, my name is Amanda Weltius. I'm doing the video portion for our first New York Times assignment. I chose an article on February 6, 2015 by Ms. Claire Kane Miller titled, How Elementary School Teachers' Biases Can Discourage Girls in Math and Science. I chose this article because it shares an example of a specific scientific experiment conducted in Israel based on behavior modification. It recognizes segregation by gender as well as a desired change for behavior in teachers. This article explains a new study with 3 sets of students that were followed from 6th grade until they graduated high school. It also relates to a preconceived notion from teachers that girls will not excel in math or science. Though these biases are unconscious by the teachers, recognizing a problem is the beginning to the solution. In these 3 groups of students, they were all tested in several subjects. The only noticeable differences were in math and science. The differences were that the girls tested by anonymous administrators tested much higher than the boys. However, when both groups, girls and boys, were tested by familiar teachers, the boys seemed to do remarkably higher than the girls did. Researchers, including Victor Lavey, concluded that teachers overestimate the boys' abilities and underestimate the girls' abilities. This caused a long-term effect on the students' attitudes towards these subjects, causing students to choose against taking classes furthering their education in these subjects, as well as the lower scores. Overall, this article is a great way to promote encouragement for girls, conscious awareness for teachers, and a need to provide more careers for women in computer science and engineering. For additional information, I plan to look for corresponding research in the States, as well as research on the effect of early education in children and those children that were exposed to math and science at early age from birth till pre-K, as well as other students in elementary school. Thank you so much. I hope I hear from some of you soon. Bye.